What is up, you guys? It's your boy D-Money here with another video, along with my beautiful young 6-year-old sister Myah. So today we are going to be doing an experiment. As you see here, I am mixing a mixture of baking soda with hot water. I use hot water so that the baking soda will dissolve. And I have some vinegar here in this cup. So what we're gonna be doing today is an experimental video.
Yep.
Kind of like Volcano. But usually when you want to make Volcano, you would use just baking soda and vinegar. But this is baking soda, water, and vinegar. That's different. So I've never done this experiment before. I hope it goes well. I hope it's not a fail.
I hope it's not a fail like the last one. The last one was a fail. The water didn't even float. You want a little bit of the popsicle?
No. Alright, Myah, would you like to do the honors and pour the vinegar in here?
Uh-huh.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Just pour it all in, just dump it. Whoa! What just happened? Wow! That was crazy. That was really cool.
Guys, that was so cool. Ew. Ew. My hands.
That was awesome.
Ew, my hands smell like vinegar. I'll be back.
If you guys thought this short video was awesome, like, subscribe. I want to get this video to at least 120 likes. Shout out to my mom, Ebony Lexi. And yeah, that was our video. Bye.
Whip up the soda, diamonds off the road.